Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply calcium hydroxide easy guide. Begin by preparing a clean workspace and gathering PPE like gloves, goggles, and a dust mask. Measure the dry powder with a scale or scoop to maintain consistent mixes. Always mix with water slowly to avoid splashes and dust clouds. Keep a spray bottle of water nearby to control dust and a bucket for waste rinses. For mixing, measure ingredients precisely and pour the calcium hydroxide into the aggregate before adding water. Add water in small increments while stirring to reach a smooth, creamy consistency ideal for troweling. Aim for a mix that holds shape without sagging and does not stick excessively to tools. Test a small patch to confirm workability, then adjust with tiny water or powder additions until it behaves predictably. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, darn tough socks are great when you are on your feet during long mixing sessions, and they come with a lifetime warranty so you can focus on the job. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When applying, use clean tools and press the mix firmly to eliminate gaps and trapped air. Apply thin layers and build up to avoid shrinkage cracks. Each layer should be firm before the next. Smooth and finish with a float to compact the surface and create a uniform texture. Keep the applied area slightly damp during the first few days to promote proper carbonation and strength gain without washing the surface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.